Namaste, friends. The outside pressure eased a little today, but the crypto kitchen still waits for confirmation. CryptoPovar Alert of the day. Brent moved lower near 78.3. The oil stove cooled and inflation risk could breathe. 10-year yields fell near 4.60. Less pressure on risk, but not yet a green light show. The futures market priced around 60% for a September rate increase as the current estimate. But that is market pricing, not the Fed's official word. The number can change when new data is heard. Oil came down and yield stepped back. The outside weather looks slightly less black, but one softer day does not complete the case. The market needs proof before it changes pace. Pressure eases, but the market still waits. Oil cools down and yields release the brakes. 78.3, 4.6 on the screen. Alert of the day. The background looks less neat. Pressure eases, but the signal is not done. 60% is an estimate, not one. Less noise, more signal. Watch what comes through. CryptoPovar waits for the data to confirm the view. Bitcoin is holding near 64.2. Still above the line, but the next move is not due. Ethereum stays near 1.87, while broad altcoin rotation still has not been given. Gold keeps attracting defensive demand because cautious capital still wants safer land. If oil stays lower and employment data helps, the pressure on risk assets may continue to melt. But if inflation rises or tensions return, the oil flame and rate fears can quickly reburn. The kitchen grew warmer, but there is no strong fire. Fear remains present and market breath is tired. One softer backdrop does not complete the case. We need Bitcoin strength and capital returning with pace. Pressure eases, but the market still waits. Oil cools down and yields release the brakes. 78.3, 4.6 on the screen. Alert of the day. The background looks less mean. Pressure eases, but the signal is not done. 60% is an estimate, not one. Less noise, more signal. No rush, no chase. CryptoPovar watches if the calm can hold its place. Oil cooled